What's happening, everybody? It is your boy, Ken Sean, and today I am going to show you how to Terminator swap a Fox.
It's working.
Nest the God.
It's working.
What's happening, everybody? On today, I got something special for you all. One of the main questions that I get all of the time is, do I have any footage of the car prior to me putting the Terminator motor in? Or can you show us the whole build from beginning to end? I'm answering the question, yes. Every week for like the next 40 weeks, I'm gonna drop a video of this car getting built from beginning to like where we are now. So if you don't know, this is a Terminator swap Fox. I have a 04 Cobra motor in here. I had a Whipple supercharger on here. Right now it has nothing on it right now, so stay tuned for what's gonna happen with that. But bottom line is that mcsc Green Wheels has been so gracious enough to actually give me the videos that they recorded by my man Filet Tamba. He is an award-winning film director. Look him up, and he's a military veteran with 2 Purple Hearts. So Filet, I thank you for allowing me to do this. I also want to thank my friends who helped me with this video. I called on my friends because I didn't want to do this thing alone. I've been working on Foxbodies for the majority of my life, and I could have took this whole car down by myself, but I didn't want to wait forever to do that, so I called on my friends. So thank you, Saul. Thank you, Jakari. Thank you, Darius. Thank you, Orlando. Thank you, Walt. And all of the other people that have helped me along the way. I'll bring them up as the videos come, but I am going to drop a video showing this car being built from beginning to end. Now, in this video, you're going to hear me talking about some 302 stuff because I was originally doing a 302 with the on-3 kit. I just wanted the car to just be a little bit faster. And then my wife told me she was pregnant, and I had made a decision that, you know what, I don't want to be in the middle of a build with a baby, and I don't want to take 10 years to do it. So I just decided to go all in. And you're going to see that. You're going to see how the rear end used to look. You're going to see oil leaking. You're going to see all type of stuff. It is nowhere near where this car is now. It's come a long way. So I hope that you all can enjoy this video. Thank you so much.
Yeah, but it's not spelled that way. You did a really nice job.
Real nice job, man.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
So the plan is I'm about to get a set of GT40 P heads that I found locally. That's the heads we're gonna put on the car because it's burning oil, and I know it's from the rings. The cylinder heads. I mean the valves. For the valves. So they're dead. I don't want to use the E7, so GT40s will be fine. They'll give it a little bit more horsepower, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna go from there.
Got it?
Like these two. We're gonna put them back on.
Grab it, man, please. Yeah, you take this wheel, bro. How much is this? This is good enough. This is the whole right here.
out the bottom?
No, it's just getting over the,
The bumper? There we go. Go back this way. Yeah, here we go.
Snowing here in Chicago, it's cold, but
Rear end's ready to come down.
so rear end's ready to come down. So you'll see this coming out next. So
See the flathead, nothing up those words.
you got needle numbers?
yep, and after this.
Try that. There you go. Perfect. Just take the needle nose. Oh, well, you were rusty at the bottom.
No,
No, I'm saying, because I said I see how it is. So you gotta make from bottom.
boxes. Got all the stuff.
Start training moving and stuff right now.
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen,
There goes the rear end.
that's one rear end on the ground.
Okay, it's all the way down.
Perfect. My diff. There you go.
That's all. Alright. I'll grab this one. You call it so.
Get in here.
Butter. You put the cardboard, just move out, slide the cardboard with it.
Oh yeah, makes sense. Works.
Take this. Okay.
Alright, so
I got 5 legs over here.
yep. Okay, where's our plugs?
Yeah. Half it.
Thanks, man.
Half it, half it red. This is more is this one.
What's it called?
I was gonna say, you don't really have to drain it.
Alright. And then, just close that what's up? Pull it off. Bro, I don't have the rest. Take it off. That's all you. As soon as we pull it, though, it's something gonna come out the back. I already know. It's just part of the game.
If you had a key to it.
Can you keep on spinning this? Can you spin this ratchet so
The link. It's in the head. It's the same one on the same side.
Start. This man came over and got the. You only had your thumb and your pinky on the.
So you gonna have to walk. You gonna have to help me with the jacket.
Okay, we feel loose. We feel loose.
All right, you can let it down some.
Down.
Go back up. Yep. There you go. There you go. Right there. Yep.
All right, now I can go up.
Hey, it's on you, man. Cause
Yeah, I need that back end down, back there to stay down.
drop it down some more, bro. Slowly. Yep. Yep.
As you going down, I'm gonna go up, give you a second.
See if you get out of that motor mount over there.
Let me go up. Let me go up.
There we go. So I'm gonna let the trans down now.
Going all the way.
All the way.
You got a pen under there?
Oh, who?
Drain pen?
Nope. Give me, yeah, I need that because it is dripping now.
Hold on.
Let me get that,
That's it. Okay, hold on. I can.
You need me to push left, right?
So it needs to get tilted this way.
Oh, that's all gas. Gas up.
Not on the, not just a heater.
Oh, my fault.
Go
Go
ahead.
ahead.
Okay.
Just how look.
I'm up to just looking over, right? Y'all ready?
Go ahead. Whoa.
All right, now I need to go down right there. Hold on.
You want me to get a tire?
Yeah, get the tires.
Yeah, go ahead. And let your hand down in the car.
There, here we go.
Whoa.
Oh, my God. Of course, that's what happened now. Alright. You may want to.
Okay.
Breaking it apart.
Nah, it's this clutch, bro. Oh, did I tell you the story? Brand new clutch.
Now we say something about the pilot bearing.
And so I've been nervous the whole time about taking this out.
All right, Jay, let's go, man.
So you just gonna leave me with a motor sitting right here? I can't open no doors or nothing, man. I thought it was sitting under the oil pan, but so the oil pan is slightly. We can lift it up and come back some.
Get to that then. So
Push that tire up some, bro.
there you go.
Drop it.
Get in that plate.
Nah, it ain't nothing there, right?
I'm gonna need to do one of these. That's done.
Yep, because you will get it all the time. Not to say that I know that happens, but I mean,
Stuff something down in here, so you ain't gotta take your motor apart.
Oh yeah.
13.
Socket or a ratchet?
we just said something. Because it actually was kind of easy coming out. Oh, you good, man? What you scared of? You good. No, I'm serious. You good.
Okay, no, you tell me that.
Yeah, you straight.
But what was it? One of the bolts was loose.
One of them was like too tight. The forks, half of them were still pushed down, and the other half were like.
You still got all your needles in there and everything. It's moving freely. It's fine.
So what do you think that?
Okay.
Nah. So I gotta get the same bolts longer. Is what you're
Yeah,
saying?
you gotta get the same bolts, so you gotta be longer.
All
Just
right.
take one and the same exact thread count and everything, because obviously that's what fits in there.
All right.
But just longer. good thing is the engine stand is light, so you can move it to your knees.
That's how we gonna balance that.
Oh, no.
No,
Apart.
Wait, I didn't even see this. I didn't even see it hold down there.
And that's the problem. I told you, bro. I told you,
you
man.
didn't see me. You didn't see me.
It wasn't even hit no more.
Hit this next one for me down here if you can. And then I found out he worked over there because I'm like, I'm always seeing this car over here.
That's where your antifreeze is coming from.
Yeah, that'll do it.
How's that one looking back there at the last point?
But those look okay.
I mean, we got.
That's sealed still. This one was broken though. This one was cracked.
I mean, you gotta look at it like this,
So-
bro. I got this over here. We got these. It's leaking oil from these. I'm not using. I'm not gonna reuse these.
So that's why I said new gasket, at least for sure.
Wow.
You know what? I'm sitting here trying to figure out why this is so distorted. I don't know if it was over tightened.
Some of them come like that, dude.
I don't know if it. Well, you can tell that this
These
is.
things are like really soft rubber.
There's some distortion, but not like this.
All right, so that's all I have for you all today. Every week I'm going to drop what's I'll maybe call this Throwback Thursdays, even though I'm not dropping this on a Thursday today. But I'm going to give you all new content of this car. Old to some, new to some of you all who are just following the channel. I'm going to give that over to you all. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can know when these videos are dropping. But I really appreciate you all for even believing and watching these videos. It really makes all the difference in the world. I believe the Fox community, the Ford community is one of the greatest communities ever. So you all have a great one. God bless.